We want to welcome you to Sly Media TV and welcome to these programs that we bring you every day here on Sly Media TV, where we look at issues that are happening in our communities, in our societies, and to say what is it that we want to see. And we want to be focusing on Harare, and say as residents of Harare, what are the issues that are taking place in the communities where you stay. We know that there is an issue with the Pomona Dumpsite, and that issue is burning, is continuing. There are debates, arguments around that. But of interest is that there is a report on the Pomona Dumpsite. That report, we know that the city fathers are saying it must be given to the public. We want to find out from the Mayor Jacob Mafume, to say what is it that they want with the report, what does the report contain, and how is the public going to benefit from knowing the contents of that report. Mayor Mafume, we want to welcome you to Sly Media TV and welcome to this program.
Thank you.
We want to start with the Pomona issue. Tell us, where are we now? Last time we spoke about it, there were issues around the deal. You say that you're not going to pay anything, and we know that a letter was written to you demanding that you pay as Harare City Council. Where are we now?
Well, we're not going to pay. We're in the same position that we were in. We are not paying anything. Government has said it will pay something, but we have told government categorically that we want our Dumpsite back. We no longer want, or no, are we interested in that contract in any shape, form, or manner whatsoever. We are going to move that contract to be terminated, and that's what's going to happen. We are not going to give $1 million every month to someone for taking our rubbish. That is not going to happen. We would rather be paid for someone to take our rubbish. So our position remains the same. The letters by the minister are only transitory. They will be gotten rid of in one way, shape, form, or manner. And the residents and will take legal action around that to make sure that we move forward.
Mm-hmm. How are you going to be dealing with the 3 million clause of the penalty?
We cannot give people things simply because they've signed a paper. That is theft. If I don't understand how people in Zimbabwe understand the contract law. It says if you sign anything that even doesn't make sense, you're supposed to pay. Why should we give someone $3 million for doing nothing? That is a contrary to public moral contract. It's not going to hold in any court. It's not going to hold in any society, and that probably is just theft.
Mm-hmm. You had a meeting with the Minister of Local Government, and we want to understand what were the issues that you were seized with.
Well, they wanted us to pay and to continue with the contract. We told them we are not paying and that we want our Dumpsite back. And I think it's clear to any right-thinking person that this contract cannot continue. It's clear to every right-thinking and patriotic Zimbabwean that you cannot have such contracts in this day and age. These are 1990s Nigerian scam contracts where someone makes government bodies pay for things that are not done and penalizes them for getting out of terrible contracts. We will not allow such contracts to come into our jurisdictions. They don't make sense. They are theft. They are contrary to public morals, and no one should obey contracts of that nature.
Mm-hmm. And there is a report, we understand, on the Pomona Dumpsite that's...
Yes, there's a report which has been embargoed by the minister, and we want that report out. It will come out. We are going to deal with the embargo by the minister and to make sure that the report comes out. If it means we will take him to court, so be it, we will take him to court.
What are the reasons for embargoing this?
I don't know. He never cited them. He said in terms of the public interest, he says the public doesn't want to know. I don't know, but I think they are probably scared of skeletons in the cabinet. Every time someone closes a cabinet, you must know that there are skeletons in it.
Have you yourself had sight of the report, and what are the contents?
There are many skeletons. The report has to come out. People will be shocked. You cannot enter into contracts in the manner that they did, and that is the reason why they are shutting it out.
Thank you so much, Mayor Mafume.
Thank you.